साथ किम्स के टॉप मैनेजमेंट जुड़ रहे हैं। जून तिमाही पर के जो नतीजे हैं उस पर चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं कंपनी के सीएफओ विकास माहेश्वरी जी। माहेश्वरी साहब, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका ईटी नाउ स्वदेश पर। सबसे पहले नतीजों से ही शुरुआत करते हैं। हमने देखा कि जो आपका मुनाफा है उस पर कुछ दबाव देखने को मिला है, कुछ गिरावट आई है, हालांकि आय बढ़ी है, रेवेन्यू बढ़ती हुई दिखी है। क्या वजह रही है इसके पीछे?
So thank you for inviting us for this call. धन्यवाद उसके लिए. First of all, I will speak between both English and Hindi together. So सबसे बड़ा achievement हमारा इस क्वार्टर में जो था कि हमने एक benchmark of the revenue we have achieved. This is a 500 crore rupees. We have reached to this benchmark because of the integration of the Sunshine Hospital with us in this quarter. And also there has been increment of the EBITDA also in the whole quarter in the combined manner. The EBITDA margin was slightly lower because of integration of the Sunshine, which is operating at something like that 18% of the EBITDA margin versus the KIMS, which is at 30% plus of the EBITDA margin. In this quarter, we had some cost pressure in terms of the doctor cost and the employee cost increments, which we do generally from the from the April months. So that cost little bit got impacted. And there was some cost pressure in terms of the power and fuel cost and some other items. But as the revenue grows up in the coming quarters, we are very hopeful that we will be able to improve our profitability on that. Also, the interest and depreciation cost was slightly higher because of the Sunshine integration. And that has got impacted the profitability for the quarter. We believe that is a temporary blip, and आगे जाके we will be able to restore to the normalcy and recover the cost which has gone up because of the revenue which we will grow in the coming quarters.
ओके, आपकी ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल भी हमने देखा, जो डिटेल्स हमारे पास हैं उसमें भी कुछ गिरावट आई है, चाहे वो ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे हो या क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस पर। उसके पीछे क्या वजह है?
So the whole occupancy you do the occupancy को दो बाटों में देखना चाहिए. One is हमारा core business जो KIMS का था और एक Sunshine का जो है, and then combined one. So on the KIMS beds there was some slight reduction in the occupancy from 74 to 71%. Is mainly because of if you look at our IP numbers have not gone down and IP and OP volume both have gone up, but हमने अपना internal efficiency थोड़ा improve किया है. हमारा जो ALOS average length of stay of per patient वो हमने improve किया है, उससे थोड़ा सा आपका occupancy थोड़ा कम दिख रहा है. And also हमने इस quarter में roughly 30 beds which we have started opening at Kondapur, that has also little bit got impacted on the occupancy basis. The Sunshine Hospital जो हमने acquire किया है, that is operating at a very suboptimal level of the occupancy, and that gives an opportunity. That is what the reason we have acquired that unit at a great price, which gives us the opportunity to grow that hospital. And we are hopeful that next 18 to 24 months time, as we ramp up the revenue of the Sunshine and streamline the cost structure and put up all our system and processes which we are having at the KIMS, we are very hopeful that that will also grow and contributes to the growth of the company, and overall occupancy level will also go up.
चलिए विकास जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया समय निकाल कर आज ईटी नाउ के साथ जुड़ने के लिए और हमें अपने नतीजों पे पूरी जानकारी देने के लिए। चलिए